Hey guys, Naomi here, and DIYs is what I do. Happy Halloween. Hope you're sitting at home right now having candy and watching this video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 cheap and easy DIYs for Halloween, 2 of which are going to be spider webs and 1 is going to be a spider. So that's what's going to be going on in this video. And also a little bonus, I'm going to put a picture of my costume right after this intro, and I want you guys to guess who I am for this Halloween. And I guess that's it. So let's get into the video. You guys want to take some printer paper, make it into a square by cutting out a rectangle piece. Then you're gonna want to fold it 3 times, unfold it once, cut on that middle crease, and then like a snowflake, cut out a web design instead of a snowflake design, which is basically curves towards the middle. And once you unfold it, you should have a web design. Take 2 popsicle sticks, glue it in a T pattern. Now you want to do it a second time. Take both of those and glue it in a star pattern. This is optional, but you can paint the popsicle sticks in the color of the yarn. Wait for the paint to dry, then take your yarn, glue it to 1 popsicle stick in the back, then tightly wrap it around every popsicle stick. Finally, you want to glue the end piece, and there you have it. You want to take 2 pom-poms, glue them together, and then take 1 pipe cleaner, cut it into 3 parts. Take each of those 3 and fold them in half and unfold them into a V. Then take each of those and glue it into the pom-poms. Then glue the eyes. Once that is done, take the pipe cleaners that are already glued on and fold it into a V facing downwards for the legs so that it can stand. And there you have your spider. Hey guys, thanks for viewing the video and hope you like it. And like I said, if you stay tuned till the end of the video, or hope that I am implied, I am going to reveal who I am. And who I am for this Halloween is Lore DIY, and yes, I painted this by myself. So basically I wanted to honor her because she is the person who inspired me to start YouTube and start doing DIYs in the first place. So I thought it would be the perfect Halloween costume for this year, and I believe that is it. Hope you had or have a happy Halloween, and see you guys next time I upload. Bye!